Most gardeners have a compost pile, but many are disappointed by slow, smelly results. The real secret? Compost isn't just a pile of waste, it's a living ecosystem powered by microbes. Without the right environment, these microbes can't do their job, and your pile just sits there. But with a simple change, you can turn your compost into a powerhouse of garden nutrients. Think of yourself as a microbe manager. Give them the right food, water, and air, and they'll transform your waste fast. There's one easy, often overlooked step that can triple your compost's effectiveness. The secret to supercharging your compost is a microbial activator, an ingredient rich in nitrogen that jumpstarts decomposition. Activators act like an energy drink for your microbes, helping them multiply and break down tough materials quickly. This boost heats up your pile, speeding up composting and killing weed seeds and pathogens. You don't need fancy store-bought starters. The best activators are simple, natural, and often already in your home. Just add a handful every time you layer your pile, and you'll see faster, richer results. It's a small step that makes a huge difference for your garden. 3 easy compost activators are probably already in your kitchen or garden shed. First, alfalfa meal, packed with nitrogen and a natural growth hormone, supercharges your pile. Second, used coffee grounds, rich in nitrogen, easy to mix in, and often free from local cafes. Third, finished compost. A scoop of mature compost inoculates your new pile with beneficial microbes. Layer browns, then greens, then your activator of choice for best results. Each of these options gives your microbes the boost they need to work faster and smarter. Choose what's convenient and watch your compost transform. Activators are powerful, but balance is key. Too many greens make a wet, smelly mess. For every part green, add 2 to 3 parts brown. Dried leaves, cardboard, or sawdust. Browns create air pockets, keeping your pile aerobic and odor-free. Build your pile in layers: browns, greens, activator, and a splash of water for moisture. Aim for a texture like a wrung-out sponge. With this balance and a nitrogen boost, your compost will heat up and break down in record time. Try these tips and share your results. Your garden will thank you.